What is up? Next morning, and today I need to make my trunnions stronger. Plywood. I will use for this cyan fix, cyan acrylic glue. Plywood is very porous material, and cyan acrylic glue must penetrate inside structure of the wood and fix it. Not so much. Let's dry. Dnipropetrovsk, Dnipro River. Today not so cold. Almost spring came. Going to work. So finally I'm already at home. Let's see what happened. And now let's see how it will be inserted on the place. I can move it, but too tight. And we can see cyan acrylic penetrate inside wooden structure and make wood like plastic, more stronger and harder. But we have some problems with excessive tightness. Difficult to move, but we can regulate it with simple sandpaper. And if you want more tightness, for example, you have a rotor bit a little bit bigger than plastic pipe, you can add some size with help of cyan acrylic glue. Still too much. Let it be. A little bit tight, but maybe it would be better than big play. Okay, I think enough for today. Let's continue tomorrow. Good luck.